Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoFit. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has gained a lot of attention in recent years, the benefits of intermittent fasting. If you're curious about how intermittent fasting can positively impact your health and well-being, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before we delve into the benefits, let's briefly understand what intermittent fasting is. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but rather when you eat. There are several popular methods, such as the 16/8 method, the 5:2 method, and more. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of intermittent fasting is its impact on weight management and fat loss. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can help your body burn fat more effectively by tapping into your body's stored energy reserves. Additionally, it can lead to a reduction in calorie intake since you are eating within a condensed time frame. Intermittent fasting can also enhance your body's insulin sensitivity. This means that your cells become more responsive to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. Improved insulin sensitivity can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes and help stabilize your energy levels throughout the day. Believe it or not, intermittent fasting can kickstart a process called autophagy, which is essentially your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new, healthy ones. This process is linked to longevity and a reduced risk of various diseases, including certain cancers. Your brain can also benefit from intermittent fasting. Studies suggest that it may support brain health by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that's crucial for learning and memory. Maintaining a healthy heart is vital, and intermittent fasting might just play a role here too. It has the potential to lower risk factors like cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and blood pressure. These improvements contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Apart from the physiological benefits, intermittent fasting offers a level of convenience and simplicity that many find appealing. It can simplify your meal planning and save you time spent on cooking and cleaning up. Plus, you might discover a new sense of freedom from constant thoughts about food. While intermittent fasting boasts numerous benefits, it might not be suitable for everyone. It's important to listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Remember, the key to success is finding an approach that works for you and aligns with your lifestyle. So there you have it, a closer look at the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. From weight management to improved brain health, this eating pattern has certainly captured the attention of health enthusiasts worldwide. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on health, wellness, and lifestyle.